Alright, our broth is starting to simmer, and so to add it just a little bit extra flavor, I'm going to take a half teaspoon of veggie stock. Instead of making a veggie stock, I'm just going to swirl it right in here. And let that cook up. Alright, now we're going to start on the risotto. So we're going to cut a slice off of a white onion. And we're going to remove the outer layer of skin. We're going to go ahead and chop this up. So because we are going to be eating this, not just using it for the flavor, we're going to dice it a little bit finer than we did for our shrimp broth. And then we're going to chop just 1 clove of garlic. And we're going to take our broth and we're going to drain it into this bowl. So we'll remove all of our chunks. Then we'll strain stock back into our pot.